Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you the best camera tips and tricks in Realme Note 50 device. So guys, first of all, go to camera. Here we have a lot of options like we have night mode, video mode, photo mode, talking about portrait. So yes, we have portrait also. And then if we go to more, we have time lapse, which means we can click professional photos too from the Realme Note 50 device. After that, pano and then QR code. Also guys, in Realme Note 50 we have filters option, like we can use filters for clicking the pictures. And in settings, we're talking about HDR option, we have HDR option. If you're talking about settings, we have a lot of options here, like we can enable shutter sound, disable it. Also we can click picture by a smile or volume button. And guys, we can also add watermarks from the settings. So that's it about the camera tips and tricks. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.